Thanks for tuning in to Tech Pro Hardware once again. And I just wanted to shoot a quick video real quick on something that was bothering me when the 4090 launched. I could not for the life of me find a white 4090 to use in a build that I wanted to do. And I finally found one and looked on video cards and saw that this thing, it was overseas and it was going to take a month to get here. And I was like, oh heck, let me just try it, see if I can get it in. And boy, oh boy, was I surprised. Without further ado, let me present this thing to you. As you can see, it comes in this Carolina bluish box with the white accents, and it is just one pretty card. I had a real good time looking for this thing, and I was so glad that I found it. It's amazing. I had to get it from overseas, you know, and that was a challenge. It took a while to get here, and I was worried about it for a little while, but I finally got it in. As you can see, it's a little funky how you open the box, but I kind of figured it out. I had to take out all the bad stuff trying to figure out how to open this thing. But once I got it open, I was like, wow. I was kind of surprised at how light it was, but, you know, that's not a big deal because it's still vapor chamber like the rest of the cards. It has a 3-year warranty. This thing is just awesome. And without further ado, look how beautiful this card is. You talk about awesome for a white build. You can't beat the way that this thing looks. From everything that I've read, this will do 450 watts, and it won't go to the 600, but we'll see when I get to the testing. I love how it's accented with the aluminum and the Carolina blue, sky blue. Just a perfect combination. It's not too much, subtle, but it's a beautiful card. As you can see, it has the 1 HDMI inputs. One thing I love about this card, I thought it was a great touch, is it's the ADA 1 on the back plate. And by the way, the back plate is full metal, nothing plastic on the back plate. There is plastic on the front of the card, but it doesn't matter. This thing is just so freaking beautiful. Just makes me like I'm happy because I had a black Gigabyte 4090 WinForce. I've had the 4090 FE Founders Edition. I've also had the ROG Strix 4090. All those cards are fantastic, but none of them are going to look like this card does in a particularly white build that has mostly white parts. Building this in a with a Z690 Formula Asus with a few other white components. That video is coming really soon, so subscribe, like this video, stay tuned because the build video is coming really soon, and I want you guys to see what this thing does and what it looks like in that computer. I've already done some preliminary testing, and it's pretty stout. It competes with some of the big boys, and with the 450 watt TDP, that shocked me. But I'm really looking forward to getting some of these videos out for you guys. I was able to get this thing overclocked to around 2940, pushing it, but you know, I backed it down. I just wanted to see what it would do with an overclock. It's not, like I said, and that's on the 450 watt TDP. So if I ever found a BIOS that could unlock, you know, I would, but I probably wouldn't do it anyway. But that's a really good overclock for just the 450 TDP. Taking off some of the plastic here, as you can see, very minimal plastic just on the front. There was none on the back at all. I'm wondering if this thing uses just a regular PCB from NVIDIA. I'm not sure yet. I'm probably not going to take it apart to find out. But like I said, this is one beautiful card. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.